This is another skincare video, and today we are in my washroom right now. So we are shooting live from the dungeon. Right now, I'm going to share with you guys some skincare tips that I use, and I'm pretty sure they'll be effective for not only you guys, but also more importantly, they'll clean your skin, exfoliate your skin, make your skin looking healthy, get the compliments going, and overall, you got to clean your skin, man. So if you guys are new to the channel or you guys are old subscribers, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get the latest content on the Arccway channel, because here we all are family. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Arccway, a new direction of modern man, and today is another video. This is another skincare video, and today we are in my washroom right now. So we are shooting live from the dungeon. So these are my favorite facial treatments that I currently use and I implement in my day. So when it comes down to cleaning, exfoliating, and just a daily cleanse, this is what I do. So when it comes down to skincare treatments, this is it right now. This is the moment you've been waiting for. So I'm gonna show you guys what I use when I clean my face on a daily basis and when I exfoliate. So the first thing I do use is a tea tree soap, and that is a daily cleanse. So that alone, the tea tree soap has a lot of great products that I usually use, and it actually is great for the skin. So the first process for me is my daily wash. So I get my bar of soap, I give this a little rinse, I rinse my face, and just put it over my face. Give me 1 second. So after I wet my face, I get my bar of soap, make sure that it is a little moist. You can rub it into your hands, but I can rub it onto my skin right here. But this bar of soap can actually be used for the beard as well, but I'm just gonna put it on my skin just very lightly here. What I just did right there, that's a lot. So I'm gonna put that down and make the rest of it and just rub it around. Make sure it doesn't get in the eyes, wrap around the face. There you go, make sure you get the sides. If it gets too frothy, put a little more water in your hands and start scrubbing. Light circles all around. There you go. Now you rinse. There we go. After I just rinse my face, after that, it has a nice shine to it. Now, my next one, I'm gonna be exfoliating the skin. Drop it like it's hot, yeah, drop it like it's hot. It's time to exfoliate. So now when it comes down to exfoliating, this is what I'll be using. This right here is the Kiehl's Facial Fuel. So this is a little sample pack that I used this before, and I want to show you guys what this looks like when you do put it on and how it takes effect on your skin. This is actually one of my favorite exfoliators, and when it comes down to this, it's nice. It's a nice buffer on the skin. I'll say that for sure, especially when it comes down to like dry skin, or you have like maybe scar tissue built up. It really breaks down all that tissue, and then it just makes your face feel refreshed, energized, and it actually has a nice minty smell to it too. So the first thing I'll do when I get into the Kiehl's Facial Fuel is I'll rinse my face. Some people slack on male grooming. I don't know what it is, but you can't slack on male grooming. It's an important process of life, man. Male grooming is everything, man. I don't know why people slack on self-care, man. Self-love. You gotta take care of your mind, your health, and your wealth. It all comes into play. So when it comes down to this, I'm gonna pour a little bit onto my hand. It might look like this. It's a light brown. It's just a light brown gel. So I'm gonna put a little more, maybe. I feel like a beauty YouTuber right now. Boom, boom, right? So what I'm gonna do right here, it smells like oats actually. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rub it in. I'm gonna look into the camera, just rub that in. Oh yeah, wow. Has a nice smell to it for sure. It smells like oats, ginger, lemon, and some like minty leaf or something, like tea tree oil for sure. Circular motions, like I always express to you guys, because you don't want to rub too hard and damage your skin long term, right? Make sure to get under your neck if need be. Sometimes people feel like you get little breakups or bad acne down there, and sometimes I do as well. So I like to exfoliate down there, but today I'm gonna leave that out. Now I'm gonna give myself another rinse. So I basically clear off all the dirt and grime, the bacteria, and the extra dead skin cells on my face. So let me wash it right now. Yo, honestly, that feels nice and refreshing. Like, I'm not gonna lie, dog. There you go, and I feel good, honestly. That was actually amazing. The facial fuel, I do recommend it. It's by Kiehl's. So the last thing when it comes down to cleaning my skin on a daily routine or a weekly routine, if it's exfoliating or just like a little mask or just a little mask. My last facial treatment that I will use for my facial cleanse or my whatever you want to call it, that's my skincare, L'Oreal. So it's a men's expert, it's pure charcoal daily face wash. So this is something I do enjoy a lot. Yet again, it has a minty feel to it, has a minty scent to it. It's oak charcoal. So basically what I usually do with this, I wet my face once again, and after that I basically apply it to my face and I let it dry. So this is a mask. I do enjoy this a lot, and let's go. First thing, wash the face. Yeah, dig. Apply into your face. There it is. That's literally what it looks like. It's like, so yeah, that's what that is right there. All right there. So now I'm applying it to my face. I'm going to war. This is who I am. I feel like a silver surfer, man. Make sure it doesn't get close to your eye, because one time I got in my eye. Oh, let this sit on your face for 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll see you guys in a few. The worst thing about it is that it's actually very minty, so it actually makes your eyes just really kind of shut down, and it's just like kind of like just want to go to bed or something, but because this thing's just killer. So now I just rinse off my face. Now I'm gonna put on some cream. You already guys know what it is. So that is my process when it comes down to cleaning my face on a daily basis. So it's 3 different techniques I do apply for my daily facial cleanse, men's grooming. Thank you guys so much for watching the skincare tips for men. So if you guys love these type of videos, make sure you guys let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Actually comment on the videos, and also subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell so you guys can get the latest updates on the content here on Arccway. Thank you guys so much for watching content. I really do appreciate it. My name is Mr. Lou, and I'll see you guys in the next video.